This is the trail of the tiny snail, a silvery trail that looped and curled and said, "Lift wanted around the world."
I like to do it my own way. We have some dewy eyes and some pandas.
You might stick it together to make it a little bit thicker.
Mommy, I did it. What comes out? Ooh! Trail. When leaping is good, but it's up high. One, two, three. That is all the one I can pull.
This one?
I'll push the other end.
Alright.
The petals off. See? Heavy. I love it. love your painting.
Oh, thanks, John. I love your painting.
Thanks, Mama. I am done your board too,
Okay, I love that.
like yours.
Amazing.
Wow, I love ink.
Do you? It's pretty
Yeah.
good, hey?
Yes, it's very good, you know. Very
Yeah.
good.
I know.
And I don't put ink on everything.
Are you?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
ink on everything. Mom,
Hmm.
I'm out of ink.
Hmm. Do you want some more?
Yeah, but
I'll put one little drop in where?
here.
Oh, you've got some in there. Here, put it in here. One little drop. Boop.
Now water will make it.
Oh, just a tiny bit.
This bit. Mum, what should I do? I will put white in it. And what happens? It turns out this color. The first clue is mushrooms and a leaf. Two hat with iron and a two hat. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. With iron and a two hat with iron are always never wing leaves in our garden. Lots of. We heard a noise and now we're finding the feather. But I said that in party. Something that's yellow under here. I hid in it. There is it, a trail. Here, Mama.